Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change an Amazon gift card into cash. This is incredibly useful if you've received a gift card but would prefer having actual money in your account instead. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account. This takes you to your main account settings where you can manage all your Amazon preferences. Now, on your account page, look for the option labeled Gift Cards and click on it. This section is where Amazon stores all your gift card balances and redemption options. Once you're in the gift cards area, locate the button in the upper left that says Redeem a Gift Card and click it. This is where you'll activate your gift card before converting it to cash. Next, you'll need to enter your claim code. This code is typically found on the back of a physical gift card or in the email if it's a digital one. Type the code carefully into the designated field, then click Apply to your balance. This step adds the gift card value to your Amazon account, which is necessary before you can proceed with converting it to cash. Give it a moment to process and confirm that the balance has been added successfully. Now comes the actual conversion process. Go to a gift card resale website or app that specializes in buying Amazon gift cards for cash. There are several trusted platforms available that offer this service, so choose one that has good reviews and a solid reputation. These sites act as marketplaces, connecting sellers like you with buyers who want discounted Amazon credit. Once you're on the resale platform, click on Sell Gift Card or navigate to the site's Amazon category. This will bring you to the selling interface specifically designed for Amazon cards. Here, you'll need to type in the gift card amount that you want to sell. The platform will likely show you an offer based on the current market rate, which is usually slightly less than the full value of the card. Follow the site's verification steps carefully. These steps are in place to confirm that your gift card is legitimate and hasn't been used. The platform may ask you to provide the claim code or other details to verify the card's authenticity. This process protects both you and the buyer from fraud. After verification, select your preferred payout method. Most platforms offer options like bank transfer or PayPal, though some may provide additional choices. Pick the method that works best for you and ensure your payment details are entered correctly. Finally, click Submit or Sell to complete the offer. This finalizes your transaction with the platform. Now wait for the buyer or platform to confirm the card and release your payment. This confirmation process usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on the platform's policies. Once confirmed, you'll receive your cash through the payout method you selected, and that's it. You've successfully converted your Amazon gift card into actual cash that you can use however you like. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.